Good morning, champs. Let's solve the integral of natural log of ax. Here, a is just a constant. This looks very similar to the integral of natural log x, but now we have ax inside the logarithm. We use integration by parts. Quick reminder, integration by parts says the integral of u dv equals u times v minus the integral of v du. We choose the logarithm as u because logarithms become simpler when differentiated. So let u equal natural log of ax and let dv equal dx. Now, differentiate u. Using the chain rule, the derivative of natural log of ax is 1 over ax times a. The a cancels, so this becomes 1 over x. Therefore, du is 1 over x dx. Now, integrate dv. The integral of dx is x, so v equals x. Now apply integration by parts. We get x times natural log of ax minus the integral of x times 1 over x. Inside the integral, x times 1 over x is just 1. So we get x natural log of ax minus the integral of 1. The integral of 1 is x. So the final answer is x natural log of ax minus x plus c. Quick takeaway. For natural log of ax, the constant a cancels when differentiating. So the answer is very similar to the integral of natural log x.